Hello, today we are going to show you how to create your own hydroponic wick system at home. Let's start by making sure you have all of your materials. You should have one large cup, one smaller medicine cup, a cotton ball, a piece of yarn, and 1 or 2 lettuce seeds. First, take your smaller cup and the piece of yarn and thread the yarn through the hole in the bottom of the cup. Next, take the end of the yarn that's inside the cup and wrap it around your cotton ball and place the cotton ball in the bottom of the smaller cup like so. Pick up the larger cup and fill it up with water to the first line like this. Then place the small cup inside of the big cup and make sure that the yarn hanging from the small cup is touching the water inside of the big cup. Then take a little bit of water and wet your cotton ball, and now place your lettuce seed on top of the cotton ball. There you have it. You have created your own hydroponic wick system. Be sure to place the model in a sunny spot and make sure that there is always water in the big cup.